Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is video 23 in the 24-day overview of Schumann's Traumerei. In today's video, we're going to take the last bit of the piece, add some pedal, add some dynamics, and talk a little bit about pacing. So let's get started with the pedal. So let's go ahead and go through all of the pedaling options. Option 1, pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. Option 2, I'd say in measure 22, if your hands are large enough, you can add an extra pedal. Just scoot that thumb over to the F. So you're holding that, and then pedal on beat 4. And then we're going to add a couple pedals in measure 23. Pedal, 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 pedal. So not too much difference in the pedals. It depends on the size of your hands, which fingering you're using, and also how clear do you like it to be. The piece is called Dreaming, so it is okay if it's a little bit blurry at times. So use your best judgment as far as the pedal goes. In terms of volume, I'll give you two options. You can start with these or create other options based on these. Just keeping in mind that the melody notes are in these little groups. That's one group, another group, another group, and then the final group. What I'm going to encourage you to do is make informed choices based on the harmonies there. So we have those 5/7 harmonies, the chords that are out of the key, this 5 of 2. Those are places that could have a little bit more tension. So with that said, I'm going to offer you two options. Option 1 is going to be a big diminuendo to the end, however, still with little tiny microdynamics leading to beat 1 and beat 3. So this is the instance in which we've built to here. We're going to gently fade. Same type of dynamics, but on a different, smaller scale. And then the smallest. Option 2 will be based on this huge chord being played very softly. So what I'm going to do in this instance is I'm going to have the smallest of crescendos to beat 3 of measure 24 and then fade down. So instead of a gradual diminuendo the whole rest of the piece, it's going to grow a bit and then get softer for the very end. So sneaking in a little bit louder. This is your 5 chord. Fading. Finally, interpretation, large ritardando for this last section. It's spread out over those 4 measures. There's so many ways to play this. What I generally suggest is feeling the subdivisions in between the main notes that are being played. So in this case, we have 8th notes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to feel 16th note subdivisions in between all of those 8th notes and let those subdivisions get gradually fatter. And so let me show you what I mean. Just start dum bum 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 Now that was pretty extreme, but I think you could hear how I was slowing down those subdivisions and then that main melody fits in. So thank you very much for watching video number 23. I hope that you found this helpful, and I hope you will share, subscribe, mention, donate to the channel if this type of teaching is valuable to you. I also love to know where you're from, so please let me know that in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.